Hey guys, very quick rundown of the new script. So it's to identify support and resistance levels. So let's take a look at the settings. You can choose from one of 6 different methods. And this is the lookback window to calculate the support and resistance levels. And if you're using methods 3 or 4, then you can also have a right lookback window, which is the candles from the right to consider for calculating swing points to get these levels. Here's the number of lines. So this would be 8 for resistance and 4 support. So I've currently got 4 as the maximum due to some restraints in the Pine coding language. But anyway, over here you can set a custom time frame. So if you use this with methods 1, 5, or 6, then you should only set it to a higher time frame than the one you're looking on. It breaks otherwise. I'll try fix that, but I don't think I'll be able to. So we can have a look here. We're on the daily. So let's set it on daily. You can see we got our lines here. So go, and if we go down to a low time frame, you can see that they haven't changed. So if we take that off, we can see we get different lines. Cool. Next setting is the offset. So basically this is how many candles from the right to exclude. So if you set this to 10, it would skip these last 10 candles. It would ignore them when doing the calculations. Then here we have only update if it closes through it. So what this does is it'll only instead of updating every 5 or 10 or 50 candles, it'll scrap a line if there are 3 closes through it. So if it gets engulfed by a candle, so here there's one close through that, then there's another one, and if there's a third, then this line will get scrapped and a new one will get calculated. Then we've also got the Fibonacci levels, so you can plot, it kind of auto-calculates Fib retracements. So here you can set the lookback window, how many candles to consider in the calculation, and the update frequency, which is similar to that update frequency. You can also set to only calculate if there's a close outside one of the levels. And just to note that you can either calculate these using the close or the high-low, but if you're using the high-low, then the static time frame you set won't work. And that's again because I ran out of one of the one of the parameters in the coding is limited. So yeah, and you can change all of the levels in the style. You can take off the shading, for example. You just see the lines, make them thicker, change the color, type if you want, crosses for the fibs. And yeah, just save everything you want as your defaults, and you're done. Cool. Yeah, I think that's it. I'll post a link to this in the video description.